Well, welcome to another Nomad Bike Rider video. Today I'm going to go into the Acadia National Park. It's right outside of Bar Harbor, Maine. Just getting suited up, kind of in a frenzy here. I have a lot of anxiety. I just, get kind of bound up sometimes when I'm doing this stuff, in the sense that I don't know where I'm at. Everywhere tends to cost a lot of money. They try to funnel you into parking places and stuff like that. So I'm at this school. I'm hoping that it's going to be okay. It's a little bit, it was about an hour to get here from where I'm at on Point Francis, and had such a good morning there. But just kind of wanted to see something different, and this road looked like pretty interesting. It's Park Loop Road. I'm about 2 miles from the entrance. It starts out with a huge climb right over here. I already went over there, and it was just, didn't feel right, so I came back here. And anyway, I'm hoping that we have fun out there. We'll see what we can find, and I'm sure it'll always be adventurous, just like normal. And we'll go from there. I hope you're having a good day, and we'll see you on the road. Well, I'm not sure if the little clip that I recorded about being anxious and whatnot took. I'm not sure at all, so I'm going to redo it a little bit here. Just check back in just in case, and just say I feel better already. I was just noting how anxious I was earlier, and how I need to make a decision on what kind of a bike ride I'm going to do. I have a strong interest in riding hard and being fit, kind of in preparation for being ready for group rides. By the way, I'm huffing and puffing, and it's a climb, and that first climb wasn't as bad as I thought. It was only a mile. Not an ideal way to start out, literally straight into a climb, but it was steep. Anyway, the digression stops here, and I go back to telling you that torn between riding for fitness and speed and pace, and riding for the beauty of it and experiencing somewhere new. Taking it all in, taking pictures and sharing it with you. I'm ever aware that I've invited you along, and I don't want to be high maintenance. I don't want to be a whiner. I want to show you a good time and make this as fun for you as it can possibly be. So sit back and enjoy the ride, relax a little. I'll break the wind. We're not going to go very fast, but who cares, right? We're out here in Acadia National Park. I believe it's the first national park the Nomad Bike Rider has ever been on a bicycle in. So this is the first and second ride in Maine. What an amazing state. I'm so glad to be sharing it with you. Let's go see what we can find. Well, this was worth stopping for, wasn't it? I think we're going to stop a lot today, you and I. That is really neat. Beautiful. So this is exactly the sort of thing that gives me all the anxiety that I was mentioning. I had no idea this is a one-way road for half of it. And so now I'm going the wrong way. And I got 7 miles invested in getting here. I don't want to turn around and go back and then do the loop, because just not enough time. So I'm hoping that if I get busted, I can, sort of sweet talk my way out of it. It's not going to be good, though. You can see it's going to freak everybody out. Yeah, the people are not going to be happy with this. Dag nabbit. Well, let's see how lucky Nomad Bike Rider gets on this one. Well, this just about blows. There's more signs that say don't go this way, including the one I'm showing you right here. And I'll show you these others. Dag nabbit. Yeah, this ain't good. Doggone it. this ain't nothing. It's a dead end. Doggone it. Well, maybe I can go this way. I think the main road's over this way, maybe. Nah, gravel. I've been getting lucky pushing my luck on all these stones. Haven't gotten to flat yet, so we won't push it today. Just gonna go ahead and turn around for now. Maybe I'll suck it up and do the whole loop the right way. Well, I made a decision. We're going to Bar Harbor. Downhill. Wee-hoo. We're getting past. Oh, no, we're not. Let's go for it. "35 miles an hour, 36, 37. Too bad there's a headwind, we'd hit 40, no problem. Well, Nomad Bike Rider strikes again. Man, I tell you, just a little bit of luck and I would have done the loop the correct way. And anyway, it was 19 miles. It was better than a poke in the eye with a sharp stick, that's for damn sure. But I gotta say, I'm a little disappointed in myself for not being a little bit more conscientious about checking out the route. And but that's life, you know. That's the way it goes. I can't fret over it too much. I got to ride my bike in Maine. Might be the last time, but that's okay too, because you know what? How many other people get the opportunity to do that? So anyway, I hope you had a good time. I hope you enjoy those downhill clips. I figured I'd just make it a downhill video and do a bunch of downhill clips, splice them together. So usually above 30 miles an hour on most of those. And I hope you enjoy your day. Thanks for coming on the ride, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care now.